Here we go, guys. This is a brand new release from Hidizs. This is the MK10. This was inspired by the Iron Man core. The design actually looks to me like Iron Man mask. But we're going to trust the word of the producer and unbox this beautiful set of IEMs to see what they're all about. Here we go. This is the very first impression. Opening the box, and there they are. Ha! They really do look like two little Iron Mans here. Look at this. It's awesome. They're very shiny, very metal, truly inspired by the Iron Man core and design. This is serious. They feel nice and substantial in your hand. They have their weight. So it's very cool impression when you take them out of the box first, because it feels like you're holding a serious piece of futuristic engineering. Very, very, very good first impression. Here are the nozzles. Nice. I love the design. It's impressive. It's inspiring. It's really cool. I'm going to put them back here so you can keep looking at them while I explore what else is included in this box. So we have what looks like a very nice carrying pouch. Let's open this. I'm assuming there's going to be a cable inside, and I'm not wrong. This is the, whoops, part of it got caught in here. This is the cable, looking good. And these are the additional nozzles. So these babies come with interchangeable nozzles, so you can have different sound listening profiles. This is becoming the distinctive feature of Hidizs. Every new release they make now comes with 2 sets of additional nozzles. We'll get to it in more detail with the full review. But of course, this is not all. You also have a set of these nice ear tips in 3 different sizes. And this, of course, I requested the 4.4 millimeter balanced because that's what I prefer. But it is available with 3.5 millimeter as well if you like.